Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Microsoft Outlook groups and email distribution lists. This is especially useful if you're working with Microsoft Teams and want an easier way to communicate and collaborate with multiple people at once. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Outlook inbox. From here, look at the left-hand side of the screen and find the People icon. Click on it to open your Contacts section. This is where you can manage contact lists and distribution groups. To create an email distribution list, look for the option to create a new contact list. Click New Contact List, then give your list a name. This name will be used as the email address when you send messages to the group. Next, start adding members to the list. You can type in email addresses manually or select contacts that already exist in your organization. Once you've added all the members you need, click Create. Your email distribution list is now ready to use. Now let's move on to creating a Microsoft Outlook group. Go back to your Outlook inbox and look for the Groups section on the left panel. Click on New Group. This will open the group creation screen. Start by entering a group name and description. This helps members understand the purpose of the group. Outlook will automatically generate an email address for the group, but you can edit it if needed. Next, choose the privacy setting. You can make the group public so anyone in your organization can join, or private so only approved members can access it. After that, add members to the group by typing their names or email addresses. You can also assign owners who will help manage the group. Once everything looks good, click Create. Your Outlook group is now set up. One of the biggest advantages of Outlook groups is that they automatically integrate with Microsoft Teams. You can easily create a team from an Outlook group, giving you access to shared conversations, files, calendars, and meetings all in one place. To do this, simply open Microsoft Teams, go to the Teams section, and choose to create or join a team. Select the option to create a team from an existing Microsoft 365 group, then choose the group you just created. And that's it. You now know how to create both email distribution lists and Outlook groups, and how they work with Microsoft Teams to improve communication and collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Teams and Outlook tutorials.